Hello friends, today I'll tell you that why there's always a peacock's feather on Lord Krishna's head and the benefits of this feather. So friends, as we know that everyone loves the feathers of peacock and many people also keep it as a decoration in their house. But do you know what changes can a peacock's feather bring in your life and how it is used to save yourself from the dark energy and the negativity? We all know that Lord Shiva's son Kartik also has a peacock as his ride, and most of the old great sons also used to ride by using this peacock's feather. These feathers are also used to make fan and broom and are mostly seen in the temples. In real time, this peacock feather have a magical magnetic power which repels all the negative energy and attracts positive energy towards itself. Therefore, to remove all the negative energy from a child or a person, the broom that is made from peacock's feather is used. And this broom is moved from right to left and then everywhere around the person or child. This technique of removing the negativity is also known as Jhadful in Grameen language. Now, the big question, why there is a peacock's feather on Lord Krishna's crown? This is because there was a peacock who thought that he will prove Lord Krishna that I am his big devotee and would impress Lord Krishna. So he started chanting the name of Krishna on his doors, and for years he kept chanting the name of Lord Krishna. But Lord Krishna didn't even look at him. After this, the peacock got sad and started crying. Then he came to Radha Ma and said his story. Radha Ma asked him to chant again, but this time she said, "Don't take the name of Krishna, say Radhe Radhe." The peacock did as Radhe Ma said and started taking name Radhe Radhe. After listening to only a single chant of the peacock, Lord Krishna came in front of him and gave blessings and blessed him to stay with him in his crown. It is also said that peacock's feather symbolizes the love connection of Radha and Krishna. It is also a sign of good luck. At home, mostly people keep it near the god's idol. And if there's any puja of Lord Krishna, then this peacock's feather is always kept near Lord Krishna's idol. Peacock's feather is meant to be very useful in various Hindu rituals to drive away negative energy from one's life and to bring stability in one's life. Peacock's feather is also said to be a symbol of goddess Lakshmi. It is also said that by keeping peacock's feather at home, the reptiles like snakes and the dangerous insects like centipede and other venomous creatures stay away from your house. So friends, now you know the benefits of keeping peacock's feather at home and using it in your daily life. So do keep a peacock feather with you and stay positive.